Today we're zeroing in on a coin that's been turning heads lately. Yep, we're talking about Nillion. So what's been happening with NIL and where could it be headed next? Let's break it down. All right, here's the quick scoop. As of April 2nd, Nillion is trading at around $0.452. Not too shabby, but it's been a bit of a bumpy ride. In just the past 24 hours, the price dipped about 0.17%, touching a high of $0.56 and a low of $0.44. So yeah, it's been swinging. Zooming out to the last 7 days, it's a different story. Nillion's down about 32%. Ouch! That's a pretty steep drop compared to the overall crypto market, which only fell by around 5.9%. So what's going on? Just a week ago, on March 24th, Nillion was riding high at its all-time peak of 88 cents. Fast forward to today, and we're down nearly 60% from that top. It's been a wild ride, and this correction has left some holders scratching their heads or checking their wallets. So, what's next for Nillion? Will it bounce back or keep sliding? Let's peek into the crystal ball and check out what the analysts are saying. According to Digital Coin Price, Nillion could see some big moves later this year, possibly spiking up to $0.82. That's over 2 times from today's price. Meanwhile, over at cryptopredictions.com, they're forecasting a December high of $0.91 with an average price hovering around $0.73. Not bad. And most importantly, Nillion is on BTCC now. With perpetual futures, you can predict Nillion's price swings, trade anytime, and forget about expiration dates. And with 50x leverage, even small price moves can lead to massive wins. BTCC, your gateway to Nillion mastery.